Welcome to my channel. I am Usha Pathak. Today I am teaching you about adjective, placement and function. Adjective is derived from the word adject, which is formed by prefixing ad, meaning towards, to ject, meaning through, meaning thereby a word that is thrown towards a noun or pronoun. The general purpose of such a word, added or attached to a noun or pronoun, is to denote their qualities. For example, a red rose, where red is adjective and rose is noun. Adjectives are used for adding on to modify the noun, refer to give a particular shade of meaning, as this house, the other house, the whole house, one house, the first house, a little house, a comfortable house, an untidy house, each house, every house, and so on. Obviously, adjectives generally appear just before the noun to emphasize its quality, however, not necessary. Sometimes it is added to just modify the noun or pronoun it refers to, such as this house, the first house, or the every house. Adjectives are sometimes compounded with the noun it qualifies, such as sweetheart. An adjective is used in two ways, attributively, such as a lame horse, or predicatively, such as the horse went lame. In grammar, adjective is a part of speech. A word is classified as an adjective when it functions as adjective in a sentence. An adjective enlarges the meaning and narrows the application of a noun. It should also be noted that the quality of qualifying or attributing another noun is also found in the definite article the or the indefinite article a or an, which are generally written before an adjective. Goldbrown mentions 6 classes of adjectives. First, common adjective, that is any ordinary epithet or adjective denoting quality or situation, as good, bad, peaceful, warlike, stern, outer, etc. Second, proper adjective, that is an adjective formed from a proper name, as a Portuguese sailor, the English language. Third, numeral adjective, that is an adjective expressing numerals such as in a definite number as 1, 2, 3 as cardinal and first, second, third as ordinals. Indefinite numerals may be used as all, some, enough, no or none, many, few, etc. A definite numeral sometimes is made indefinite, such as some 20 men were present. There can be indefinite quantitative adjectives such as enough rice and also indefinite numerals such as a few loaves. Fourth, pronominal adjective, that is a definite word which may either accompany its noun or represent it understood, as all join to guard what each desire to gain. Pope. Fifth, participle adjective, that is one that has the form of a participle but differs from it by rejecting the idea of time, as an amusing story. Sixth, compound adjective, that is one that consists of two or more words joined together either by the hyphen or solidly, as nut brown, four-footed, threefold, etc. Some other grammarians say there are 8 kinds of adjectives, which are proper adjective, descriptive adjective, quantitative adjective, numeral adjective, demonstrative adjective, distributive adjective, interrogative adjective, and possessive adjective. Sometimes a phrase also functions as an adjective in a sentence, and hence such phrases are called adjective phrases. Sometimes a clause of a sentence also functions as an adjective in a sentence. Such a clause is called an adjective clause. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe please.